guess in a sense it's mixed feelings.
Former Cabinet Secretary Benjamin Emmanuel has come out of retirement to head the new board of the Millennium Heights Medical Complex. Health Minister Moses Jean-Baptiste made the announcement at Monday's pre-cabinet briefing.
I welcome Mr. Ben Emmanuel, a gentleman of immense experience in the public service and recently the Cabinet Secretary. I also say to you that the Cabinet has full confidence in the abilities of Mr. Ben Emmanuel to chart the course of the future of the Millennium Heights Medical Complex.
The Health Minister also gave the composition of the rest of the board, which includes the Chief Executive Officer of the Medical Complex, Damian Greaves, and the Director of Clinical Services.
The other members of the Millennium Heights Medical Complex board as proposed by Cabinet are Dr. Alicia Eugene Ford, who will serve as the Deputy Chairperson of the board, Mr. Wen Gabriel, former Chief Environmental Health Officer, Mr. Perry Thomas, Dr. Kedma Daw, the Permanent Secretary of the Ministry of Health, Wellness and Elderly Affairs, Ms. Jenny Daniel, a representative of a union representing the interests of the employees of the medical complex, and also a representative of a recognized consumer association. Both organizations have been written to, and by today or this week, we should have confirmation of their representative.
Deputy Prime Minister Dr. Ernest Hilaire also offered congratulatory remarks to the new chair.
I think after Prime Minister, it's the second most difficult job in St. Lucia. So when he thought he was having a quiet retirement, we did have to call him out to continue public service. And it's not an easy task that we've been given. St. Lucians certainly have been clamoring over the years for improved healthcare services. And central to that is, in fact, the Millennium Heights Medical Complex. And we're all confident that he will bring his tremendous experience in management, in public sector administration, and address some of the issues that we do have there.
The Deputy Prime Minister and Minister for Investment also presented Emmanuel with a $400,000 check, a pledge by Caribbean Galaxy to fund the new wing of the Owen King EO Hospital.
We also took a decision as a government that we would use the funds of the Citizenship by Investment Program to assist us in achieving that objective. As a first step, we reached out to some of our stakeholders within the CIP network and indicated that we had intended to, construct the fifth finger and together with the government plans to see who would be able to assist us as we set about fulfilling that objective. One of our stakeholders, a developer under the CIP program, the Galaxy Real Estate, has indicated that they will partner the government as a corporate social responsibility action to assist us in achieving that objective. And they've made available to the government $400,000 US as a first contribution to allow the board of the Millennium Heights Medical Complex to be able to commence the process.
The new chair has welcomed the funds and expressed his commitment to ensuring the delivery of affordable and quality health services at the medical complex.
I guess in a sense it's mixed feelings. Your first task being to receive monies, I think that's good, but you also understand that there will be an expectation of delivery, and given the urgency of that particular undertaking and the importance of the construction of that fifth wing to ensure that OKEU can deliver the services required by St. Lucians and, of course, users of the institution, will put additional urgent responsibility on the board. So on behalf of the board, I accept graciously, Minister, the contribution as well as the task and challenge.
The announcement of the new board follows the launch of the Year of Engagement, an initiative designed to redefine how the MHMC connects, collaborates with, and delivers care to its patients. For the DBS News World, Zane Romulus reporting.